Vision blurry, it's in my mind, don't worry. In need of direction, tired of chasing perfection. Took a lot of L's on the road to redemption, and no exception. I need some clarity.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley, owner of She Print Studio, and today I will be pressing some buttons with my button press. I designed, printed, cut, and pressed 50 buttons, and I'm not going to talk too long, so I just want to say thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be blessed.
To redemption, and no exception. I need some clarity.